Sana ay tabihan na sa ilalim ng puting ilaw.
Kung astig ka, sali ka. Marhaba sa'.
Where are we going to get some clothes? Some clothes for the summer, some clothes for the Philippine trip. Kasi alam mo mga kabayan alis na ako sa Pinas. At laging sa Pinas, meron na kaming itong, anong tawag doon? Pasalubong na pasalubong. So anong ibig sabihin sa pasalubong? Pasalubong, guys, means is when you go back to the Philippines or when you go back to the UAE, you gotta bring some gifts with you, some stuff for the friends, family, and everybody. So whenever I go back to the Philippines, there has to be something called pasalubong. So right now today, we're gonna discover a place where is the best place to buy pasalubong for the Filipinos. So mga kabayan natin, kung nandito ka sa Dubai, okay, make sure you go to this one place that we are about to discover today. So I'm not gonna fulfill the name till we go there and you'll be able to see it. I'm pretty excited for this one special episode. Let's show you guys what it is, what it feels like to be in a place where there's a lot of mura stuff. Let's go. We're going to buy some goodies. Woo! Let's go, guys. Thank you. What can we get for pasalubong in the Philippines? We got some clothes. Can we buy something? Yes, I'm looking for polos.
Polo, sir, yes. We have here, sir, we have Polo Ralph Lauren this side.
Okay.
Sir, 20% off.
Polos, 199. I thought this one was 400. Okay, wow, this is good. This is great. This is great. It's amazing, guys. There's some clothes here that we see so far that has absolutely great designs and new stuff. I'm here to discover the place. Let's see what we can. Today, we're going to show you what kind of makeover that we can come up from this to this. Let's go. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Can you put this inside, please? Yes, thank you. I'd like to get this one, yeah.
Hi, sir. Maybe you need this trolley?
Yes, thank you so much. Actually, would need the story. Maraming salamat. Okay? Yeah.
Marunong magtagaan.
Yes, yes.
Kamusta po?
Ito na, buhay pa, tao pa. Yes, here, yes. Summer is coming. You're going to the Philippines. You need something like this. I'm telling you. Alam ba yung mga Pinoy natin, mahilig naman sa ganito, no?
Yes.
Yeah? This is where the magic happens, okay? So once you try this one, if it fits very well, you buy it, you take it, you leave, and then you just sell the people to the world that you're wearing something very nice. Whew. Yes. I'm taking this. I've heard that this shop has everything.
Yes, sir.
True? And everything, the price is always down?
Yes, that's
Yeah?
very true.
Okay, I see that. Bulk offer?
Yes, sir.
Sensodyne.
76 dirhams for 6 pieces.
Wow. Take it out.
For 2 pieces, sir, 20 dirhams only.
Kay Lola, kay Ante,
Galing-galing yung sir magtagalog.
kay Tita, sa Ninang, oo. Pasalubong.
It's you in the market for only 25 dirhams.
I'm getting it for 17 dirhams. 3 pieces is actually 10 dirhams. For my mom, for my sis, for my auntie, for my cousin, for my... Okay, 6 pieces only for 51 dirhams. Si Lola ko doon sa Pinas, mahilig siya sa yung mga damit. 29 dirhams. It's one of the things that my Lola is going to be happy about. Guys, it is free zone. That means anything you buy over here, no tax. What are you waiting for? Oh my God, I'm getting this right now. Okay.
So ito po, magiging 29 na lang yan.
29.
Yes. So buy 3, get another 10% discount.
Nautica. Oh my goodness. This is branded t-shirt for only 29 dirhams. Pasensya po, pasensya po. Pasensya na po kayo dyan. Mura naman talaga dito. Ha? Pwede ha. Okay. So for the wife, polo for husband, polo for wife. 99, right? Now it became 29. It's amazing stuff so far, guys. And I'm picking this for the wifey as well. So this one will be 99.99. I think if she saw this so far, she'd be so happy. And I would get this for her. And she would be like amazingly jumping all over. Salamat po, uncle. Salamat po, uncle. Let me get this one. This will look so good on Nahyan. I love it. So this will be at 24 of discount. It will go 24 as well. The family is going to be full with polo. We got some snacks corner. Always good. Anywhere, always, anytime. Toys for the infants. Sana ay tabihan na sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. We have some perfumes over here, so not just the clothes, not just the cleaning products, or not even for ladies and men, everything. So basically, even the perfumes you have it here. I'm from Pangasinan too.
Where?
I'm from Dagupan.
Proud Dagupenya.
Yeah? So we're in the same, yeah? Yes. Nice, nice. Okay. Usually in the market, this one will be about 350, somewhere there. But here, it is for 229 plus there's a 10% discount. 121 after discount. Magkano naman ito?
Ito po sir, 374 po after discount.
Para kay Kuya, 186. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Okay lang? Mabuti. Okay. Armani Exchange.
Original price is 2,330, but it's now we're selling it from 1,165.
Ayos sa summertime?
Summer na po.
Hello sir, how are you?
Very well.
All good? What's your name?
JR.
What do you think about Dikochi? What's your feedback?
Dikochi is a very nice place. They're very organized. Mixed brand. It's very cheap. That's what I can say.
Regular customer here?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Once a month, I can say. I bring my family here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, buy perfume.
Well, JR, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. Have a good one, man.
Fantastic,
All
sure.
right? Okay. Would you actually recommend people to come here?
100%. 100%.
Yeah?
That's why I'm buying all of my. This is the twice. Like I came here twice this month.
Oh, okay.
And I still I'm here in Dubai like 2 months ago.
What is your favorite, the favorite brand that you always buy?
This one, Polo.
Polos, huh? Polos like in the States, huh?
Yeah.
And also, have you heard of the term Black Friday?
Black Friday, of course, yes.
I think here in Dikochi is every day is a Black Friday.
I believe you have that.
Yeah? Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you so much
Appreciate it. Maraming pong salamat for having us here.
Walang anuman po sir, it's our pleasure.
Yes. So we just wanted to wrap up everything by saying, what are the discounts available for yung mga kababayan natin doon?
Okay. For kabayans po, marami po kaming discount na ino-offer for this month until end of April po. So we have discounts on perfume, 10%, Lacoste, D&G, Rosario, Calvin Klein, anything you want po is available here in Dikochi. We also have discounts on body care products and cosmetics products and house cleaning products. 10 to 15% off po siya. Tapos, ang mga round neck t-shirt po natin, pang lalaki, meron po kami iba't ibang brand, Jack & Jones, Timberland, Tom Taylor, 50% off po siya, and buy 3, get another 10% discount po. For ladies naman po, meron po kami 10% up to 70% discount po siya.
Wow. Okay.
Yes, even sportswears are also 20% off. Adidas po, specifically Adidas.
Excellent. So there's a lot of discounts here in Dikochi, which is anywhere ranging from 10 to all the way to 70, depending on the products that they have so far.
Also shoes po. Shoes is 25% off. Children's items, 50%. Toys are 20% off.
Okay. I heard that we're gonna have a very nice discounts for mga kabayan natin in Emaratino Traveler.
Yes.
Yeah?
Po. Yes. That's true po. For Mr. Emaratino Travelers followers, we are giving away 20 dirhams cashback for every single receipt of 200 and above po.
And we're gonna have more surprised coupons coming up for yung mga kababayan natin sa Emaratino Traveler. Tara na sa Dikochi.
Yes, tama po. Shop now.
Sige po.
Keep your savings going po sa Dikochi.
Yes. Pasalubong for Philippines is here.
Dikochi Brands Factory Outlet.
The Black Friday of every day here.